In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write articles faster with Jasper AI. By the end, you'll see how to turn a simple idea into a structured draft in just a few clicks using Jasper's home workspace and its Ask Jasper feature. Start by opening Jasper and heading to the home screen. If your dashboard shows other tools or recent projects, no worries. Just click Home on the left side to reset the view. The home area is designed as your launchpad, keeping everything in one place so you don't waste time jumping between features. From here, look for the Ask Jasper Anything box. Think of this as a smart command line for content creation. It works like a conversation. You tell Jasper what you want, and it quickly returns something actionable you can build on. This is the fastest path from an idea to a usable outline or draft. Click into that prompt field and get specific. Clear direction leads to better results, so we'll use a focused example. Type exactly. Create a blog post outline about how college students can save money, including 5 main sections. This phrasing gives Jasper a topic, a format, and a scope. Mentioning outline ensures you start with structure. Including college students sets the audience, and 5 main sections tells Jasper how to organize the content so it's skimmable and balanced. If you want to guide tone or length, you can add that right in the same prompt, but the request as written is enough to produce a solid framework. Now, send your prompt. Either click Send or press Enter. Jasper will generate an outline in moments. You'll typically see a clear set of section headings with a logical flow that covers key angles of the topic. This alone saves you the time you'd normally spend brainstorming and arranging ideas. When the outline appears, choose Use to accept it. This moves the structure into a ready-to-build state. Then click Generate Now. With that, Jasper expands the outline into a full blog post, filling in each section with relevant, readable content based on your prompt and the outline's headings. It's a quick leap from concept to draft, and it keeps your momentum high. That's the entire workflow. Get to home, open. Ask Jasper anything, type a precise prompt, send it, use the returned outline, and generate the post. You've just turned a topic into a structured article with almost no friction. Repeat this process for any subject, and you'll consistently write faster while staying focused and organized.